I've got to go somewhere where I can feel again, where I can see again the man the mirror no longer finds, awake to the sound of surrender and memories that shine so loud. I put my hands to my ears, content to let it all disappear. Yesterday killed tomorrow. All I remember of love is its sorrow and hope. Blurred pictures vaguely familiar, of which I never speak. To surface the cut so deep, perhaps waving joy from its sleep, as the clear sky gives way to rain. Perhaps the sun returns again. I want to hold everything that I have. I want to love like I thought I once had. I want to write down which once felt so strange, not keep the words from the page. Yesterday killed tomorrow. All I remember of love is its sorrow and hope. Blurred pictures vaguely familiar, of which I never speak. So steep, I want to lie, but I've got to believe that there's a moment when every man must choose to fall or stand. I stand where many before asked questions of love from afar, and in moments answers appear, in moments they disappear. But yesterday killed tomorrow. All I remember of love is its sorrow and hope. Blood